So in this lesson, I want to look at narrative paragraphing. Narrative paragraphs are a lot shorter than any other piece of writing that you're going to do this year. Something that I'm seeing in a lot of your drafts are these huge, long chunks of paragraph. Narrative paragraphs need to be short. So by the end of the lesson today, I want for you to understand when to start a new paragraph. So when do I need a new paragraph? The first reason you're going to need a new paragraph is if there's a new speaker. So let's look at an example. I'm terrified to go into the haunted house, Kylie shivered. Me too, admitted Jarrell. The moment that Jarrell begins to speak, you're going to start a new paragraph. And if Kylie says, I'm glad you said that, I thought it was only me, I need a new paragraph, even if I don't say Kylie said afterwards. So those long sections of dialogue that you have, even if it's one line, every new speaker gets a new paragraph. The second reason that I'm going to start a new paragraph is if there's a change in setting. So let's look at an example. A blood-covered zombie dashed at them. Kylie could feel her heart jump out of her chest. She gripped Jarrell's arm tightly. They tiptoed around the corner into the next room. So because they are changing a setting, even though they're in the same house, we need a new paragraph. So anytime there's a slight change in setting, you need a new paragraph. Okay, the last one is the one that I see the most. If there is even the smallest change in topic, you need a new paragraph. So let's look at an example. Kylie could hear the screams echoing from the other room. It sounded like someone was being tortured. It's all fake, she assured herself. There is nothing to be nervous about. A gigantic, furry spider appeared in the corner of her eye. Okay, so because Kylie begins here to start giving me inner thinking, to start thinking to herself, I'm actually going to start a new paragraph there. I might be able to combine that with the first one, but I would rather just start a new paragraph. Okay, also here when she says a gigantic furry spider, it appears out of her eye, that's a new topic. It's a change in topic. So I'm going to start a new paragraph. You're going to start to notice that your paragraph should be maybe at most 5 sentences long, but I would say probably 2, 3, 4 sentences in each paragraph. So let's look at my example from my water skiing story. So I am seeing this in a lot of your drafts, and I want to read through this and I want to add some paragraphs. So please watch, okay, and then I want for you to replicate this in your own writing. Hold on, my father shouted from the boat. His warning sounded miles away over the sound of the waves thrashing loudly at my sides. It was a horrible day to be out on the water. Okay, because I'm starting to talk about the setting here, I'm actually going to start a new paragraph. It was a horrible day to be out on the water. The bitter wind whipped around me. It was like it was out for a revenge. Every gust hit me harder than the previous, threatening to knock me off balance and drench me in ice cold water. I gripped. Okay, so I'm done talking about the wind. So I'm going to add a new paragraph. I gripped tightly to the plastic handle and squinted, trying to make out the bright red boat through the tower of water. If I could straighten myself out, I might have a chance, I thought. I shifted the skis below me and began to lean. Okay, so I just got done with some inner thinking, so I'm going to start a new paragraph. I shifted the skis below me and began to lean. You've got this, I whispered. This is your day. Okay, notice that I am talking to myself, so it's not a new speaker, so I don't need a new paragraph there. The moment these words left my mouth, I knew they were a lie. The rowdy marimba band playing loudly in my stomach gave it away. I leaned hard to the right. Okay, because I'm stopping to talk. I have stopped at this point talking about how nervous I am and the rowdy marimba band in my stomach. I'm going to start a new paragraph. I leaned hard to the right and pointed my skis diagonal across the towering wall of water. It jerked my hands back, creating tension on the rope, and pulled. The right tip of my ski slid over the wave easily, like it was a knife sliding through soft butter. Okay. I'm even going to start a new paragraph here, okay, because I'm going to start to talk about what it felt like to slide over the wave. So you'll see here that each of my paragraphs is really, really short. It's no more at most. Here's my longest one right here. I shifted my skis, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At most 5. So that's my challenge for you right now. I want you to go back through your piece and make sure that your paragraphs are really short. Remember, you're going to start a new paragraph anytime there's a new speaker, a change in setting, or even the slightest change in topic. Good luck!